Well, the local family is making plans no parent can ever imagine how to bury and remember their son.
Ryan Ford died Friday after police say he was brutally beaten at a bonfire. As Action News' Noah McLaren explains, all new at 5:30, his family is remembering him by celebrating what he loved the most.
This is Ryan's world. It's the backyard where Ryan Scott Ford grew up, and it's also the place where his parents say they want him to be remembered. There's an empty seat around the campfire, a seat where 19-year-old Ryan Ford spent much of his childhood.
There was one chair left open, and they said that was Ryan's chair.
This is where Ford grew up, and it's where his father says he had his best memories.
He was quite a little hunter, just fires, just anything you could do as a kid. You know, he was full of life and just wanted to be out here. He wanted to be in the woods. Couldn't sit in the house, couldn't play video games, and just had to be outside.
That's why Ford's family is holding a celebration at the place they call Ryan's World, in the woods behind his childhood home. They're also remembering Ford by repairing his prized possession, his old pickup truck that he was working on and never got the chance to finish.
He's got friends, and they want to finish it for him. They want to see it through.
Ford's father hopes the truck is ready to drive for his son's funeral on Thursday. He says it's what Ryan would have wanted. In the meantime, Dad's getting ready for the celebration of his son's life here on Friday. He says anyone who's ever met his son is invited.
Anybody ever met Ryan, they're his friend.
The event kicks off right here on Friday at 4 o'clock. In St. Augustine, Noel McLaren, CBS 47 Action News.
And Ryan's funeral is set for this Thursday. It starts at 11 a.m. at Anastasia Baptist Church in St. Augustine. 25-year-old Christopher Hoffman and 22-year-old Robert Klein are charged in his death. Klein's attorney, John Phillips, sent Action News a statement saying, in part, "We plan to let the justice system address the events of that night. Not only is the report of Mr. Klein initiating contact with Mr. Ford inaccurate, but he and others tried to stop the altercation that led to Mr. Ford's death." A St. Johns County man is in jail tonight. He's charged with stealing